The upcoming Mi Max 3 phablet from Xiaomi has reportedly received certification from China's 3C. While the Mi Max 3 listing on the 3C website doesn't tell us a whole lot about the device, it does suggest that Xiaomi may be gearing up to launch it in the Chinese market very soon. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Rumors suggest that the Mi Max 3 will be the company's second smartphone after the Mi 8 SE to be powered by Qualcomm's all-new octa-core Snapdragon 710 chipset. The 10nm chipset features 2 Cryo 360 based on the Cortex-A75 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 Cryo 360 based on the Cortex-A55 clocked at 1.7 with an Adreno 616 GPU. In terms of AI performance, the Snapdragon 710 is said to be twice as fast as the Snapdragon 660. In addition to the Snapdragon 710 chipset, the Mi Max 3 is also rumored to be equipped with 4GB of RAM and sport a dual camera setup at the rear. Similar to most Xiaomi smartphones with dual camera setup released this year, the Mi Max 3 will also have a vertically stacked dual lens camera system. Some of the other rumored specifications of the Mi Max 3 include a huge 6.99-inch IPS LCD display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. If we remember correctly, 7 inches was the specification for beginning of tablet sizes, although the device will be much smaller than a tablet thanks to the reduced bezels as in trend. Next, there is a 5500 mAh battery having Qi wireless charging support and up to 128GB of onboard storage. In terms of software, the Mi Max 3 is likely to ship with the Android 8.1 Oreo-based MIUI 10 right out of the box. Xiaomi hasn't confirmed a release date yet for the Mi Max 3, however the company's CEO Lei Jun has revealed it in a Weibo post last month that the company plans to launch the Mi Max 3 sometime in July this year. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.